Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you for showing so much love for my first tutorial, and keep showing love like this. And so today's video will be this eyeliner look, and this is my signature eyeliner look, and hope you all will enjoy it. So without any further delay, let's start. So here you can see I have already applied the makeup, and to achieve that winged eyeliner look, I'll go ahead with my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. I'll dip my brush into a very light shade, which is a pink color. I'll apply that shade to my whole eyelid. I have to give some depth and dimensions to my eyes. So I'm blending that eyeshadow. Then I'll take my Lakme Absolute Shine line. This is a very beautiful eyeliner. I love the formula and the applicator. It's just that this eyeliner is not waterproof. So I'll use the Huda Beauty Lifeliner so that my eyeliner lasts longer. So here I am applying from front to back. You can use any method to apply your eyeliner. Some people make the wing first and then they go in the front, but I'm using from front to back method. For me, this is convenient. So here I'm trying to make a perfect wing which matches to my other eye. Then I'm taking my Huda Beauty Lifeliner. I'll go on top of it so that it lasts longer. It is a waterproof eyeliner, and oh my god, this eyeliner is a game changer. I just love how it applies, and it's jet black. The other side is the kajal, and I'll put the kajal on my top of the waterline. This step makes your eyes look bigger and fuller. So here I'm taking my L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara, and I'll apply 2 to 3 coats on my upper lashes and lower lashes. Then I'll take again my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, and I'll pop up some color to brighten up my eyes. Then here goes my blush, which is the MAC Peaches one. Then it's time to apply the lip liner. This is a Givenchy lip liner in the color brown. It's important to apply the lip liner because it makes your lipstick last longer. Here I'm taking my Nykaa matte lipstick in the shade Jade Rose. This is a beautiful brown color which matches to my current eye makeup look. So here I'm just cleaning with the beauty blender. So yes, this is my makeup. Hope you all will enjoy it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.